Here are 50 daily use sentences using "Do you mind if I?" 1. Do you mind if I borrow your pen? 2. Do you mind if I use your phone for a quick call? 3. Do you mind if I open the window? 4. Do you mind if I turn on the TV? 5. Do you mind if I sit here? 6. Do you mind if I take a photo? 7. Do you mind if I smoke here? 8. Do you mind if I ask you a question? 9. Do you mind if I leave early? 10. Do you mind if I bring a friend? 11. Do you mind if I eat this? 12. Do you mind if I have some more coffee? 13. Do you mind if I try some of your food? 14. Do you mind if I add some sugar to my tea? 15. Do you mind if I grab a snack? 16. Do you mind if I take a taxi? 17. Do you mind if I leave my luggage here? 18. Do you mind if I open the window in the car? 19. Do you mind if I adjust the air conditioning? 20. Do you mind if I get off at the next stop? 21. Do you mind if I join you? 22. Do you mind if I interrupt? 23. Do you mind if I give you my opinion? 24. Do you mind if I call you later? 25. Do you mind if I give you a ride home? 26. Do you mind if I ask you a personal question? 27. Do you mind if I use the restroom? 28. Do you mind if I take a break? 29. Do you mind if I turn off the music? 30. Do you mind if I record this? 31. Do you mind if I leave early today? 32. Do you mind if I take a short break? 33. Do you mind if I use your computer? 34. Do you mind if I borrow a book from you? 35. Do you mind if I ask you for some help? 36. Do you mind if I record the lecture? 37. Do you mind if I work from home today? 38. Do you mind if I use the printer? 39. Do you mind if I discuss this with you later? 40. Do you mind if I bring my own lunch? 41. Do you mind if I step outside for a moment? 42. Do you mind if I close the door? 43. Do you mind if I turn down the music a bit? 44. Do you mind if I take a picture of you? 45. Do you mind if I give you some feedback? 46. Do you mind if I bring my dog to the park? 47. Do you mind if I borrow your charger? 48. Do you mind if I make a phone call? 49. Do you mind if I leave my bag here? 50. Do you mind if I ask you a favor?